Hey there, how's it going? Today we're going to look over the Fortress 10-gallon tank. It's a 4.3 SCFM air compressor because the plasma cutter got over there is for 4.1 SCFM and my 1-gallon DeWalt tank doesn't do enough. So in order to test out the plasma cutter to its full efficiency, I had to get a bigger air compressor. Got it at Harbor Freight. They're not sponsoring me, I hope they will. You guys can send me more cool stuff, that would be awesome. Looking more into it, it says that it's plated air intake filter 2 times the life. I don't know what any of that means, but it's supposed to work very well. So we're gonna get into this and see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks like in the picture. All right, let's see how well this worked. Hopefully we didn't cut anything too important. Oh, I wasn't near it at all. That's cool. So what if we just do this? Aha! So we got this little bag of nuts and washers and whatnot. See here, and we got a lock one. Okay, so I'm guessing it's one on each side, maybe. So they probably go like this right here, and then like so. Yeah, that's exactly how they go. And then you got it sticking out right there, pops in here. I'm taking this one right here, and just clamping on the bolt. Nice and tight. And next side. Yeah, straighten the wheels out pretty good. Nice. All right. So we got the air compressor right here. The last one was pretty loud. This one's not too bad, honestly. That's as loud as it gets, and this is me talking with a microphone right now. Like, this is very doable. It gets pretty warm, but what engine doesn't get warm, you know? So that's as loud as the air compressor gets. Touching right now, ooh, it's nice and toasty. Let's see how long it takes to fill this up though. 3, 2, 1, engage. All right, we're gonna stop there just because it's getting pretty hot. And it's been about 10 minutes, so it's not fully filled, but it's pretty close. Almost 90 PSI in this big old tank. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, cool. Woo! That's red hot. That's cool. I'll be real honest, I thought I gave it Stephen Keith. I'm not that good at this, but I'm learning. See how long it takes to go straight through right there. It's kind of thick. melted it. Woo, that's hot as fuck. So it goes straight through it, but I end up burning this thing out. That's alright, it's all replaceable. So I think for this thing, once I have contact there, then the light comes out. So it's gonna look like this. So without it touching, it doesn't do anything, but once I touch, oh no. I'll just do it. Oh, that's cool as fuck. Check that out. That's way neat. Ha. That's fucking cool. It's a little brittle, but hey, it's not bad. Do one more. Alright, that's really cool.
So here's the results of the plasma cutter after using the new air tank, and let me tell you, it's a night and day difference. Like, it's pretty thick material. So it's not at the limit of the plasma cutter, but it's at the limit of the 120 volts that I'm using it. So it's working just fine. That air tank, the Fortress, it works. Like, having the right tools and whatnot make a great difference. So right here, you can see I punched through it. That works just fine. I did burn the bit, so I had to get a new piece, but that'll be for later. I made the Snake River right there, made it square, made a squiggly line, and that's part of the square that I cut out. And that I almost started a fire because it melted my plastic table. So yeah, that's the review of the Fortress. I would recommend it highly. It is amazing. It's super quiet compared to my DeWalt one. And they're not even sponsoring me, and I 100% say you guys should get one. So yeah, hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.